IVCAD now introduces a powerful new feature that lets engineers import measurement data directly into the system architect's schematic environment. This enhancement streamlines model extraction and validation by automatically configuring the simulation from imported data, such as one-tone load-pull results or two-tones measurements on 50 ohms. Once the data is imported, IVCAD automatically sets up the schematic with the correct stimuli, biasing, and measurement conditions. The user simply inserts the model into the schematic to begin evaluation. After simulation, the results are automatically formatted to match the original measurement files, enabling seamless comparison within IVCAD's Whiteboard tool. This new feature simplifies the workflow for model extraction and validation, reducing setup time and minimizing errors. By creating a smooth bridge from measurement to simulation, IVCAD helps engineers quickly validate and refine their models with greater accuracy, reliability, and efficiency, accelerating the development of high-fidelity RF and microwave designs.